Greetings and welcome back to the mat. This is Yoga Taught by Taylor. Today we're going to get into some powerful postures for getting grounded and into the hips. We're going to start our practice today in Malasana. Your toes point out, heels pointing in, just a little wider than your hips. We're going to inhale, take the arms up and out, belly button back. And as you exhale, we're going to slowly ride the wave all the way down into our yogic squat. Bringing the back of the arms to press the knees away from us. Press into the hands, lengthen up and out through the spine. Maybe waddle from side to side, adjusting the feet where you need to, and then dropping into the hips. Nice long spine, gently close your eyes. We'll begin our practice here. Nice full breaths in and out through the nose. Think about sending that breath all the way down to the feet, anchoring you into this present moment. And we'll inhale, rise, take it up. Reaching out. Exhale, sink. Press the knees away from you. See if you can take the hands wide. And then gently folding in. Relax the crown down. Maybe even taking the hands all the way around the legs towards the low back. Taking nice full breaths into the hips. Bring the hands forward, reaching out in front of you. And we'll inhale, lift the hips. Forward fold. Take the arms wide. We'll inhale, rise. Exhale to heart center. We're going to come into goddess pose. So opening the feet just a little wider, toes pointing forward. We'll inhale, take the arms up. Exhale, sink into the knees, sink into the hips. Relax the shoulders. Nice long spine. We'll open up to cactus arms. Bending at the elbow, reaching out through the fingertips. And we'll inhale. Exhale, sink in. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Inhale, rise, reaching up, belly button back. Exhale. We'll find a deeper posture here, bringing left elbow forward. Right hand comes down and around. Lean in, fingertips into your palm, sink into your hips. We'll lengthen up. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Right elbow forward. Left arm down and around. Lean into it. Fingertips in. Lift the elbows. And we'll sink in. Lifting the elbows just a little higher. Inhale, rise. Exhale, release. Roll it out. Opposite direction, squeeze on the back, roll it around. Last one. Back to center. Heel toe the feet closer in. We're going to shift our weight down into our left foot. Grab a hold of the right. Let the knee fall open. Tapping into our balance, opening up the hips. We'll switch it out. Right foot down. Hug the left foot in, let your knee fall open. And release. We'll take it deeper. Sinking in with the left. Grab a hold of the right. And when you're feeling comfortable, we'll inhale, take the arms up. Palms come together. We'll exhale, sit down. One-legged chair. Inhale, rise. Exhale, release. Switch it out. Sink into the right. Grab a hold of the left. Let the knee fall open. Finding your center, finding your focus, we'll inhale. Exhale, sit into your chair. And we'll inhale. Exhale. Shifting your weight to the left, we'll bend at the right knee. Opening your knee to the right. Think about the front of your knee. We're going to make some circles here. Inhaling forward. Exhaling back. Send it in the opposite direction. Send it behind you. Roll it around. Nice, strong, open hips. One more. Bring it back forward and release. Left knee up. We'll open to the left. Take your circles forward. As wide as you can go. Send it behind you. Last one. Send it back forward. Exhale down. Coming back to Malasana, our yogic squat to end our practice. Toes out, heels in. Remember, while we are practicing, we're not only moving our physical body, but our energetic body. So this practice should leave you feeling grounded, open, and balanced. We'll inhale, take the arms up, belly button back. Exhale, sink into it. Press your knees out. Soften any place you may be holding tension. Close the eyes. Deepen the breath. This is a perfect place, posture, to plant your seeds. Set your intentions. Know that what you desire desires you too. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you.